Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. Now it's time to cut open Osam brand paneer. This is the 500 gram pack I'm holding. So let's cut it open. So guys, this is the half kg block of Osam paneer, Osam brand paneer. Let's cut the paneer in cube. Now it's time to boil or thaw. Time to dip the cubes in hot boiling water. The paneer has been boiled. I'm gonna drain it over here. And in the meantime, my mom's gonna put the oil. We will be using mustard oil this time. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil, any oil you like. So let the oil heat up. In the meantime, my mom's gonna drain the paneer. So guys, let me tell you about the ingredients which we will be using. These are the chopped ginger and garlic, few green chilies over here, and because this is a simple paneer recipe of my sister's idea, so it's not very complicated. Let's begin. First, my mom's gonna shallow fry the paneer in around 4 teaspoons of oil. I've already told you we are using mustard oil over here, mustard oil. So she's shallow frying the paneer cube. So guys, as you can see over here, the paneers are turning beautiful golden color, and it's a sign that it's been cooking well, looking really nice, crispy. I'm gonna cook it for a few more minutes so that all the paneer cubes turn golden brown. Paneer has been cooked to its perfection. It's fried to its perfection. Let me take the bite and tell you how it's tasting right now. It's really yummy. Thumbs up to Osam paneer. It's really awesome. The taste is really awesome. So guys, for the recipe, main recipe, we have to first take around 2 more tablespoons of oil. Any oil you can take, vegetable oil or mustard oil or olive oil. And when the oil becomes hot in your kadai or wok, we're gonna add the green chilies. There goes the green chilies, it's popping. And then we're gonna add the ginger garlic, which we have cut in smaller, very small pieces.
Finely chopped.
Finely chopped ginger garlic. Keep in mind that we are not using the ginger garlic paste because we're gonna prepare this awesome looking paneer recipe from fresh ingredients, okay? So I'm gonna let the ginger garlic and green chilies fry for around half a minute. In the meantime, I'm gonna again show you the veggies we are using. Ginger garlic has been fried very nicely over here. So now it's time to add the green beans and carrot and few onions. I'm gonna add the bell pepper in the last because I like to keep the color green. We have to keep moving the veggies like this. Keep tossing the veggies, and keep in mind we are cooking in high heat so that the green veggies cook fast.
It retains the color, and
I'm gonna add around 1 teaspoon of salt over here.
very nice aroma.
Now let me add few spoons of vinegar to my paneer recipe. Not much, around 1 or 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Here goes the vinegar. And I forgot to tell you about the main ingredient. This is the main ingredient of our paneer recipe. Mint kana add really wonderful flavor to this recipe. So now you know the secret. Now it's time for the final part. Let's add the paneer. Here goes my paneer. It's time to add the black pearl, that is black pepper powder, around small teaspoon, which will cover the paneer and give it a very smoky kind of flavor. And let's mix it well. In high heat I'm cooking. Keep in mind, in high heat. All the restaurants cook food, delicious foods in high heat, not in low heat. Okay? Guys, the paneer has been finally cooked. Now it's time to take it out from the wok to my beautiful kadai, serving kadai. So guys, my yummy mummy kadai paneer is ready. I've served my yummy mummy kadai paneer in this beautiful looking serving kadai. Mom, taste it.
I love it.
So how's my
Very
kadai?
nice.
So how's my kadai paneer, mummy?
I love it.
So it's a thumbs up from my mom. This yummy looking kadai paneer is really tasty. It's really yummy.
One for you and one for me.